Monday, December 22nd. We're getting closer, and I'm so excited. And I'm on my way to an appointment, so I gotta do this quick, okay? Just to recap, we're gonna start with Missouri Star today. I don't know what it is. It almost feels like a wallet. I don't know. I don't know. A book for checks. Who knows? But let's do our recap. The $199.95, which I call $200. Y'all know that by now. After yesterday, with our pattern and our hardware for the bags, for the bag panel that we got, and the webbing and everything, all that good stuff with it, and the cording, I gave it a total value of like $20. I'm just looking at, that's what I'd pay for it. So I'm off. But that's my opinion. It's my opinion. What I found on the internet and everything, so that's fine. But that puts us up $190. We've almost doubled our value of what we put in there, and so far everything in there's been pretty darn good. You're definitely getting your money's worth out of there. You're doubling it, so that's a pretty good deal. So let's get on with it. Day 22. Ooh, that came off so easy. Let's quickly take a look. You get to see it as I see it here right now. Can we see in there at all? Not helpful. Let's pull it out. Oh, is this it's a book. It's a book. And we have a special flat chuck for a Jenny's box in there. How awesome is that? If you're collecting these, this is worth something. Ooh, this is by Hilary Doan Sperry. It said Handmade Mysteries. There are several mysteries in here. Ooh, if you're a book reader, I do like reading books, especially when it's a good story that's around a quilt guild or a quilter or quilting in itself, sewing, anything. It is great. Let's see what kind of... Ooh. Part 1, A Seam of Secrets. Ooh, this looks good. There are different parts. Mystery, Quilt Block 1, Clue 5. I wonder if there's something else in here. I don't have time to really read the opening to this. It's like, oh, maybe there's a quilting project as we go in here. I don't know. I'm sending... Okay, no, that's not what I'm looking for. Handmade Mysteries. Maybe it's on the back. I've also included 2 quilt block patterns designed as a mystery quilt. Along with each chapter, you'll receive a few quilting directions. If you follow them, by the end of the story, you'll have a complete quilt block. Wow. I designed both patterns. One even has a Jenny Doan tutorial, while the other is my take on a classic. Wow. And it tells you how to link to the tutorial and all that good stuff. Very cool. Very cool. I like this. Well, I know there's going to be some of you out there that go, but I like this. This is cool. That's something that's not going to end up, though, in the school library. It's going to end up in my library. All right, let's move on, shall we? Let's go to, what have I got here? Oh, this is from the Bee Box, and it's soft, like fabric, but it's smaller. I don't know. I think feels like a pen and some other little tablet in here or something. But let's talk about the Bee Box. $3.25, and after yesterday, our bag panel from Minky Kim, the Riley Blank Minky Kim bag panel, I gave it a value of $13, so that puts us up $191 over what we paid. So our total value is, we paid $3.25, and our total value so far is $516 worth of quilting goodness. All right, so let's open this one. Ooh, here it is. Oh, wait, there's more. Okay. Oh my. Bee Box, day 22. Who doesn't love coordinating things? I couldn't resist getting this combo. They're adorable. And you know what? They are adorable. Here's the pin that I thought, yep, it's got a soft squares. There we go. I'm going to have one in every room here soon. But here is our matching combo. A little bag, a little zipper bag. Keep things in. Keep things organized. And a little notepad. for those retreats. You want to take some notes on something. Quilty goodness that you get inspired about. There you go. And in it goes with the pin so I can use it again. Awesome. I love this. It's going in my purse right away. Thank you so much. All right, going on to box A. A, we paid $165 for. And after adding that charm square project bag with the fabric in it, I gave it a value of like $26, which puts us up $28 over what we paid. So right now we paid $165 and we have $193 worth of value. So this is coming along very nicely for the few days we have left. Absolutely, you got it. And I thought, does that sound like a puzzle? But not. Maybe a game? I don't know. Chemistry set? Let's find out. And we open it up and you get to see what I get to see right off the bat. What have we got? Oh. What is this? Awesome 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner, portable mini home and car. Use this to clean the bobbin area of your sewing machine as well as your sewing surface. It is especially helpful after cutting minky fabric. It's a great size to keep at your fingertips and can be used around the house or car. Isn't that great? This is wonderful. Woohoo! It's going to make cleaning the sewing machine so much easier between projects. Oh my goodness, what a great day. And I've got to run or I'm going to be late. All right, we'll see you again tomorrow live right here at 8 o'clock. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, joyous Kwanzaa. Find your joy and spread it around. I love you all. Goodbye.